Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the company for sending me this scooter cover. It is just wonderful. It's a very thick cover, so soft, and it goes well on my leg scooter. And the nice thing about it is it has the two hooks here. And just look how thick it is. So it's going to be comfortable. So let's assemble it. Okay, so let's assemble our knee pad on our scooter. Again, it is so soft and thick. So basically, you will hook these two on your seat. And you want to make sure they are secure. Make sure the cover fits over. And then this little string down here, you want to pull it tightly. And then you can tuck it right up in here so it's not seen. And it's nice and snug on your scooter and will make a comfortable ride. Give it a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.